Hi all, welcome to Nandhini's recipe. It's been very long time since I have posted videos. Today I wanted to share a small vlog about how we enjoyed in a beach called as Paradise Beach, which is located few kilometers from Pondicherry. So this beach is not known by many of us because it is located just some kilometers from Pondicherry. If you have time and if you are visiting to Pondicherry, definitely do visit this Paradise Beach. After having some time in beach, I went to the harbor and got some fishes, and today I decided to do some recipe with that fish. So I got these vanjaram fish, which we call steer fish in English, and I decided to do a simple fish fry recipe. So this masala is prepared by mom, and it contains all the spices in it, and I just used a 2 spoon of the spice and with tamarind water to provide tanginess to the fish fry. Mix the masalas along with the tamarind water so that they get blended well. Add a required amount of salt as per your taste, and you can also add chili powder, some lemon juice and ginger garlic paste if you want the fish fry to be more tasty and more tangy. So today I wanted to make the fish fry very simple, and hence I just stopped with this masala alone, and marinate the fish fry for about 1 hour so that they get well into the fish. The masalas gets well into the fish. Now it's time to fry the fishes. Wow, the smell that comes when you fry the fish is actually really aromatic. If you're being a foodie, you will really enjoy the smells that come when you prepare food. And let us fry the fish on both the sides for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it gets well cooked and it's crispy outside. So now our crispy fish fry is ready to be eaten, and I'm going to enjoy this fish fry with some ghee rice for today's lunch. So one interesting thing about making recipes is that decorating the cooked item is one interesting thing that I like. And if you find my video more interesting, subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends and family members. I will come with another interesting recipe in my next video. Thank you.